Hey creators! Ever dreamed of crafting the perfect AI character? One that's consistent, versatile, and ready for any project? Well, today, we're diving deep into RenderNet, the ultimate platform for bringing your virtual visions to life. Forget inconsistent results. With RenderNet, your characters will maintain their unique look across every image and video. Ready to start? Just to head over to RenderNet website. Once you're on the homepage, hit Create for free to set up your account. Inside the studio, you'll discover a powerhouse of features, especially the incredible face lock capability. Upload a clear, front-facing photo, and RenderNet's AI will replicate those features with stunning accuracy. Think of it as your character's digital DNA. Want to take it a step further? Explore the magic mode to tweak details like eye color, skin tone, and facial structure. And it doesn't stop there. Craft detailed prompts to define your character's hair, clothing, and overall style. Imagine creating a character that evolves, but always stays true to their core identity. This is perfect for storytelling, game design, or building a virtual influencer. RenderNet offers a ton of flexibility. Adjust image dimensions, generate multiple versions at once, and even combine different AI models for unique styles. The Control Net feature lets you guide your character's pose, ensuring consistency across scenes. And with Change It, you can modify specific details in your images, like swapping a jacket's color in seconds. The possibilities are truly endless. But that's not all. RenderNet also has Narrator, a game changer for creating dynamic video content. Use pre-made videos or upload your own, then apply face swaps or keep the original. Add AI-generated audio by typing a script or uploading a voice clip. You can even mimic specific voices. Imagine creating engaging TikToks, podcasts, or reels with ease. Let's get into the nitty-gritty of character creation. Head to Generate Your AI Character and click Create New. Upload a reference image or choose from RenderNet samples. For the best results, use a clear, centered face. In PR mode, you can specify detailed characteristics like ethnicity, body type, hairstyle, and complexion. Give your character a name, like Carmen, and then use prompts to define their scene or style. Adjust the aspect ratio and generate. Want hyperrealistic results? Focus on what, where, and how. What is your character doing? Where is the scene happening? And how should the image feel? Combine these into detailed prompts. Remember, concise prompts are key. Use essential keywords and let RenderNet do its magic. Now let's create an AI influencer. Choose a niche like meditation and spirituality. Develop a backstory. Define their appearance and personality. Generate a face. Then use PR mode to add physical traits like clothing and accessories. Give them a name, like Jasper. And then use prompts to create engaging content. And there you have it. With RenderNet, you can create consistent, realistic, and engaging AI characters and influencers. Don't just imagine it, bring it to life. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI creation tips.